Hey yo boys and girls, welcome back to my channel and good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me Vijay Kevin and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Commonwealth Bank if you guys have like an online account of Commonwealth Bank. Alright, so if you guys have an online account of Commonwealth Bank, then basically you can access like transfer money to other bank and like do other stuff related with bank through your account in your home. That's basically an advantage of it. So let me show you guys how you guys can log in into it. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's move on, shall we? First step is search for Commonwealth Bank. Then you want to click on Common Bank over here, the first link. After you click on the first link, it's going to take you to its official website. Once you're over here, you want to click on log on. Once you click on log on, it's going to give you three options. From these three options, you want to choose the option to which you want to log into. For Common Sec login, you want to go on the third option. For Common Biz login, you want to go on the second option. For Net Bank login, you want to go on the first option. I want to go into the Net Bank. So I'm going to click on Net Bank. Once I click on it, I need to enter my client number over here like this. After I enter my client number, I need to enter the password of my account over here. And then I can just click on log on and I should be able to log in into my account. That's basically how simple it is. So hope you guys are able to understand. Do like and subscribe and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.